Yep, this one is good. Don't know. There's one here. There's one on this side here. And then here. There is another potato there. Another one somewhere in here. There it is. So all this is good, looking good. Let me feel and see. Yes. Okay, what? Let's try this one now. Let's see. Yep. So I'm just harvesting the middle seed line. Another one here. People, this one is good. This one is a good size. Look at this. This is a good size one. Sweet potato. Oh, so I'm gonna harvest this one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna just pull it up like that. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, there's one here, there's one there. So see this one here as well. I feel this one. There's one right here. I feel this one here. There's one here. That one is good. There. There's one here. There's one here as well. People, this is good harvest, man. I have nice, lovely potato, sweet potato, grown in the UK here, in these pots or container, in this container. And thank you for watching, supporting. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.